Alright guys, this will be a quick video. I'm just going to cover the notes briefly. So inside of your Genius Messenger CRM extension, which you click this G up here in your browser, and if you navigate into the details of one of these labels, like hot leads, you'll see you have a few options here. You can send message, which that will open up directly in Messenger. You can add a note, which that's what we're going to cover in this video. And you can schedule a notification or delete the lead. You can also change which list the person appears in right here as well. But we're going to add a note. So I'm going to take this one as an example, and we'll add a custom note here. So if you select an individual, you can add a note, and we'll say something like follow up. Something like that. Follow up with lead at 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time on 9/30/20. So you can see right here we have the ability to drag and drop notes. We can also edit notes if we wanted to make changes and then hit the save icon. And we can also delete notes if we no longer need them. So we'll add another note here just for reference. And that's note 2. Now if I want to, I can drag this above, below. So if I go to open this, now I have those notes saved here quickly. So that's another update that we're going to be bringing very soon. You'll be able to edit notes, delete notes, reorganize notes right here from this tab as well. So some use cases for these notes: you could have a phone number, email address, what product or service they were interested in. If they're a current customer, you can say what subscription plans they're on. All that info could be saved here for notes. So that way when you go to have a conversation, those notes are just quickly available and you're not doing a bunch of digging to find out what this conversation is about. So a lot of you, if you're in an agency and stuff like that, you probably have a lot of clients. And I know I have a lot of clients for my software subscriptions. So this will be super helpful for me, knowing which products or services they're signed up for. And just pertinent info about that lead will be right there at my fingertips. So again, to get to that, what we're going to do is from any page, since this is a Chrome extension, you can access it from anywhere. Open up that extension, drill down, and click Add Note. So if I delete this note, it's going to disappear inside of Messenger as well. Like I said, the update will be coming soon where we can add, delete, edit notes right here. Right now, you're going to use this little G icon, drill down, go to Add Notes. So that's it for this video. The next one we'll do scheduling notifications.